Hey guys, it's Pete with HydroBlox, HydroBloxWest.com, HydroBlox West. For more information on HydroBlox, go to HydroBloxWest.com. Okay, they say a picture is worth 1,000 words, so what's a video worth? And they also say that numbers don't lie. So what's that number say? That says 98 feet, okay? 98 feet. Now look at the water that's streaming out of this box, streaming out of this, I call it a bubble up box. Just streaming out. It's a beautiful sight. It's a beautiful sight indeed. Now what we're seeing here is that is water coming from the other side of my house. I showed in another video the water that's coming from one side of my house. This is the water that's coming from the other side of my house. This is running over 98 feet of level surface. 98 feet of level surface, and we have been having rain off and on for the last couple days, so the ground's fully saturated right now, and it's draining water and it's pushing water out, and this is just a beautiful sight. Remember, and I emphasize, this is a flat level run, okay? To have done this with a French drain would have been a major league pain in the butt. Forget about the big trenches and the dump truck of gravel and all the work, but just to get the slope required to move the water would have been a major league pain in the butt. Not with HydroBlox. We installed it on a level run, and that level run in this case is 98 feet on the side of the house and going back into the backyard. 98 feet, and it's pushing water. It's a beautiful thing. Look at that flow of water. Look at that flow of water. It's beautiful. Beautiful, huh?